What's up everyone, Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got a 05 Chevy Duramax in here today. It is leaking out of the front. I've got my pipes over here taking care of this one. I'm over here doing a rear end job on a Jeep. We'll show y'all that here shortly. But hey, what's going on, sir?
Well, we got this one here coming leaking out the front. The fluid looks really good on it. No leaks anywhere else but out the front. Training works really nice. But anytime these come in leaking out of the front, what we do is we just change the converter, front seal, pump bushing, and then the pump gears and the gasket right here behind the bell housing. Once we do all those things right there, we're pretty much guaranteed it's not going to leak out the front. We've tried to do front seal bushing, leaked out the front again, so we just learned the first time to do all of it at one time. But we'll do a service on this one, change the filter in the pan and the screw-on filter here on the side. Look at the transfer case seal up in here, make sure it's not hard, where it can't transfer fluid back and forth to each other. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Big old heavy thing.
I'm sure you checked your U-joints, stuff like that. We do all that here.
You know, we got the yellow paint here. We got the
People say to not do that, but
yeah, we always mark our drive shafts, and that way we put them back in exactly the same way they come out. Same way with the front one. It's marked here when I took it out.
just best that way.
And here.
Not bad, sir.
Yes, sir. We don't mess around. That way it goes back together the same way it was. Even if you notice here, the slip yoke in the transfer case right here for the front drive shaft is really dry, starting to rust. So we'll clean that up too, lubricate that. That way that front drive shaft slides in and out, don't try to break the transfer case off. Because these will do that. If they lock down solid, they'll break the transfer case right off if you hit a dip in these things.
Yes, sir.
So, other than that, looks good. We'll get it on the bench and get the pump off of it and stuff. Try to do a video then so you kind of see what that looks like. So it'll be kind of interesting. So, y'all have a good day. Stay tuned.
Man, he just got it in him, I promise. That man can do anything from R&R to building transmissions to driving fast race cars. Anything and anything, everything you can think of, he can probably do it. Except doctor and a surgery. I wouldn't let him do that. But other than that, I'd let him do pretty much about anything on my car, that's for sure. We've checked this thing out 100%. So we'll get this thing on the bench, in which I think it's already on the bench. And we'll see what it looks like, see what kind of damage we got in the front pump area. Transmission worked, so we're hoping not much damage and we can just fix it with our pump converter seals and get him back on the road. So y'all guys stay tuned. We'll see y'all at the bench. And I already got it on the bench and ready for y'all. I don't want to pull out the converter yet. I'll let him do that. But this thing is ginormous. I mean, for a unit, I mean, it is a diesel 05, 6.6, but these things are big. These covers is for like a PTO pump on your hydraulic system. If it was to be a service vehicle or anything like that, running any type of hydraulics, it could take these covers off. And there's a gear on either side. Also, you got a dipstick over here, and then you got a dipstick over here, which will allow you to put this in a different vehicle if needed. So, but y'all guys stay tuned. Tear down coming y'all's way.